I'm Jodi Ginsberg of Ginsberg Law Offices. Today I want to speak with you about situations where you've got your workers' comp injury and you've been authorized to treat with physical therapists, doctors, nurse practitioners, whatever the case may be. And the reason you're going in there obviously is because you got hurt at work, whether it's your neck, your back, your shoulder, your leg, your knee, your ankle, whatever the case may be. And many times what we find is the clients strike up a conversation with the therapist or the nurse or the doctor, and they start talking about things that have nothing to do with their work injury. What I mean by that is you're there simply to discuss your work injury, the body parts that are injured, the problems that you're having. Starting to tell a doctor or a nurse or a therapist about what else is going on in your life, whether it's you have to drive and pick up your children from school, you are online taking a course and typing when you have pain in your arm from your work injury, it doesn't mean you didn't get hurt at work. But when you start discussing things that have nothing to do with your work injury, doctors, nurses who are authorized by workers' comp put all that in their notes. And then it gets back to the insurance adjuster. So if you're injured at work and you have injuries that you're treating with the medical personnel for workers' comp, stick to that. Discuss only those issues that are related to that. What you do on your own time, what you do to help your family. And again, you can't be working when you're on workers' comp receiving weekly benefit checks. Of course, if you're not receiving checks and you're going to work, then you do what you do. But the point of it is all the other things that you have to do to get through your daily life is really not something that you need to be discussing with the doctors unless they ask. So keep that in mind, because a lot of times it can be used against you and you have to be very, very careful about what you say. If you're injured and you need help with your workers' compensation case and try to understand what it is that you should be discussing with the doctors, therapists, and nurses, please give me a call. I'm more than glad to speak with you about your particular situation. I'm at 770-351-0801. Thank you. Hi, this is Jodi, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about all rights and benefits available to you under the Georgia Workers' Injury Laws, I'd like to invite you to download my Georgia Workers' Compensation Survival Kit that I created for folks just like you. Some of the topics I cover include: can I get fired for filing a work injury claim? 8 critical mistakes to avoid. Is it true that the insurance company will hire a private investigator to follow me around and videotape my activities? What happens when the insurance company is late with my weekly wage payments? 7 specific tactics I recommend to maximize your case settlement value. If you or a loved one needs to maximize your recovery from your Georgia workers' compensation claim, you'll find this survival kit important reading. Download your survival kit right now and at no cost. Just visit my website and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now, and as always, I wish you the best.